Thanks for watching. I have an iPhone 8 disassembled here, and I'm showing you guys where the vibrator, which is also called a taptic engine, if it's not working, this is how you replace it. I've already taken it apart so you guys can see what's going on. This is actually sitting right here, and this is the screw that is on top. This is the plate that's on top, and you're going to unscrew a regular tri-screw, so you're going to need a tri-wing screwdriver, and underneath that there's another screw with a flathead is what you would use. I'm trying to show you guys that thing. It's a funny looking screw. It almost looks like it's not a screw, but you put a flathead on there and unscrew that. Once you got that out, this will pop out, but there is a connection ribbon clip in between two other clips. I've never seen this before, but you actually have, sorry, let me try to zoom in over there for you guys. See what's going on here. Let me lift this up so you guys can see how to do that. You see there's that ribbon that connects into that one, and the vibrator one actually goes underneath that one right here. Okay, so it would go underneath and plug into that section there. You could probably find a new one of these on eBay for almost nothing, probably 10 bucks, and do this yourself. And if you guys need to know how to get in here, just watch a video on YouTube on how to get inside of it.